Welcome back, guys. We'll be working on removing this part from the fl250. So what you gotta do is the cable sometimes will get stuck in there. You gotta grab the cable with like a plier or something, vice grip like this. Clamp the cable. And make sure it's out like that. See? Just like that. That one fell right out. Now, this one wasn't that rusty, but if they're rusty, you might have to pound them out. And then what you do is stick them back in there. You do this. Just like that. Now it's in there. That is how you do that fl250. Brake caliper. Locking nut mechanism. That's what I call it. That's for the Trailmaster 270, which we'll have some videos coming up on that pretty soon. But I'm going to do some more cleaning in here, guys, but that's going to be it for today. Please subscribe, like, comment, share my videos, and hopefully this is helpful to you. And I'm trying to get my phone fixed, which is my camera. I don't have no fancy camera. I use my phone. But trying to get that fixed, and then I gotta get a different tripod. These $20 or $50 tripods off Amazon and eBay are completely junk. So I gotta go dump some dough on a good tripod, and I might, just might, add a GoPro to that list. But I don't know. Until next time, guys, as always, keep it off-road. Catch you on the next one.